Trying to save time in the kitchen without sacrificing fun or flavor? These TikTok kitchen gadgets are all about working smarter, not harder. From quick prep to easy cleanup, they turn everyday cooking into something fast, simple, and surprisingly satisfying. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Rolling grape leaves has never been this simple. This grape and cabbage leaf roller helps you stuff leaves evenly and quickly, making cooking a breeze. Just lay the leaf, add your filling, and pull the lever. Perfect rolls every time. Made from durable, easy-to-clean materials, it's safe and fun for beginners and kids. Great for family meals or parties, it turns traditional recipes into a hands-on, stress-free experience. Fresh juice has never been this easy. This electric citrus juicer powers through oranges, lemons, and limes with a 200-watt motor, giving you maximum juice with minimal effort. 2 interchangeable cones fit fruits of all sizes, while the lever arm keeps your hands and countertop clean. The drip stop spout pours directly into a glass or container, and cleanup is simple with just 3 dishwasher-safe parts. Quick, safe, and efficient. It turns any fruit into fresh, delicious juice in seconds. Making perfect mooncakes just got easier. This filling dispenser with a detachable mold lets you portion fillings quickly and evenly, so every mooncake looks and tastes just right. Adjustable settings let you control both dough and filling amounts, making consistency effortless. Family-friendly and fun, it's perfect for baking with kids or hosting a mooncake making session. Ideal for home kitchens or bakeries, it boosts efficiency while keeping every mooncake picture perfect. So if you want flawless mooncakes every time, scan the QR on screen. Peeling and slicing just got a serious upgrade. This 3-in-1 peeler tackles fruits and veggies with ease, from delicate tomato skins to crisp carrots and potatoes. A simple swivel lets you switch between peeling, julienne, or serrated blades, and the built-in stainless steel eye remover handles pesky potato eyes effortlessly. The non-slip handle makes it safe and comfortable to use, and cleanup is a breeze with a quick rinse or dishwasher. It's compact, colorful, and a kitchen essential. Cooking just got effortless. This intelligent automatic cooker handles frying, stewing, boiling, and stir-frying all in one pot. Its built-in double-wing spatula stirs your food automatically, freeing your hands for other tasks. Intelligent temperature control keeps the oil below smoking point, so your kitchen stays clean and fume-free. With 1,200 watts and 3-dimensional heating, it cooks quickly, safely, and efficiently. One key operation makes delicious meals as simple as pressing a button. So if you want hands-free cooking, scan the QR on screen. Cracking nuts just got playful. This spring-loaded nutcracker makes opening walnuts, pecans, and chestnuts simple, and even a little fun. The ergonomic design keeps your hands safe while preventing shell fragments from flying everywhere. Made from sturdy stainless steel, it's durable enough for repeated use, but light enough for kids to enjoy safely. Quick, safe, and surprisingly satisfying, it turns snack time into a hands-on experience everyone can enjoy. Bakery-quality cupcakes are now just minutes away. This full-size Cupcake Maker bakes 12 perfect cupcakes at once, with non-stick plates for easy release and hassle-free cleanup. The latching lid keeps everything secure while baking, and the powerful 1,200-watt heating ensures quick, even results. Beyond cupcakes, you can make muffins, mini quiches, or other treats using the included recipe guide. Safe, efficient, and fun. It's perfect for family gatherings or solo baking sessions. Kebabs in minutes? Yes, please. This 49-hole skewer maker lets you prep dozens of meat, veggie, or fruit skewers in just 5 minutes. Simply place your ingredients, insert the sticks, and you're ready for the grill. Made from durable, non-toxic plastic, it's safe and easy to use. Cleanup is a breeze with a quick rinse of warm water. Perfect for BBQs, parties, or family meals that impress without the hassle. So if you want effortless skewers every time, scan the QR on screen. Dinner just became a fun, interactive experience. This 2-in-1 hot pot and grill heats up quickly, letting you cook hot pot, grill, or both at the same time. Independent temperature controls give you the perfect heat for each section, so veggies, meats, and broths all cook just right. The non-stick surfaces and oil-draining design make flipping food and cleanup effortless. With enough space to serve 2 to 8 people, it's perfect for family gatherings or cozy meals. Frying just got smarter and healthier. This extra-large air fryer cooks faster thanks to dual heat sources, so you don't even need to flip your food. The 6-quart basket fits a 12-inch pizza, multiple steaks, or an entire batch of wings, making it perfect for family meals. The wide 270-degree viewing window lets you watch your food crisp up without opening the basket. With 11 cooking functions, from fries to pizza, you get crispy, guilt-free meals every time. So if you want perfect, hassle-free frying, scan the QR on screen. Turn your kitchen into a grilling paradise. This 14-inch indoor grill and griddle handles everything from sizzling steaks to fluffy pancakes with ease. Interchangeable plates give you the freedom to grill or griddle, while edge-to-edge heating ensures every bite is cooked perfectly. Reach up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit for searing and char marks, and enjoy low smoke thanks to the smart mesh lid. Cleanup is easy with removable non-stick plates, making family meals a breeze. Waffles just got a gourmet twist. This vertical waffle maker heats evenly, giving you perfectly cooked Belgian waffles every time. With 5 shade settings, you can go from soft and fluffy to golden and crispy exactly how you like. The roomy non-stick interior handles thick, indulgent batter, while the precision pour cup makes measuring a breeze. Audible alerts let you know when they're ready, and the included recipe guide sparks endless breakfast creativity. Your smoothie just got an upgrade. This personal blender crushes ice, frozen fruits, and veggies effortlessly with a 1200-watt motor, giving you velvety drinks every time. The leak-proof flip cap and integrated chug spout let you sip directly from the tumbler, perfect for on-the-go mornings. 3 intelligent blending programs take the guesswork out of making smoothies, crushed drinks, or even dips and soups. Compact, easy to carry, and cup holder friendly, it fits your lifestyle perfectly. Ice cream just got way easier and way more fun. This one-handed scooper lets you serve perfect portions every time, taking the guesswork out of your desserts. You can even make instant ice cream sandwiches by scooping right onto cookies, no prep required. The stainless steel cutter and high-tensile wires glide through any ice cream, gelato, or sorbet. Ergonomic and simple to use, it feels natural in your hand, turning serving into a breeze. Say goodbye to sticky fingers and messy chopping. This garlic press crushes cloves effortlessly with a simple squeeze, giving you fresh, flavorful garlic every time. The trigger-operated wiper blade pushes out every bit of garlic, while the handy cleaning tool removes trapped bits and peels in seconds. Dishwasher safe and designed to fit comfortably in your hand, it makes cooking with garlic quick, clean, and surprisingly satisfying. So if you want mess-free garlic prep, scan the QR on screen. Snacking just got smarter and cleaner. This mini dispenser lets you pour just the right amount of nuts or small candies with a single finger push. No mess, no sticky fingers. It works with peanuts, cashews, M&Ms, and any snack under fingertip size. Refillable and compact, it's perfect for work, study, or gaming. Keep your snacks close, your hands clean, and your cravings under control with one clever gadget. Say goodbye to stale bread and messy snack bags. These colorful clips squeeze onto seal bags airtight, keeping your food fresh longer. They fit everything from bread to chips, candy, or other thin bags. Made from durable plastic, they're reusable and won't break when you need them most. Simple, practical, and cheerful, these clips make everyday food storage effortless and mess-free. So if you want fresher snacks every day, scan the QR on screen. Rinsing your produce is good, but this takes it a step further. You drop this compact cleaner into a bowl of water and let it do the work for you. It uses a purification process that breaks down residue and unwanted buildup, helping your fruits and veggies come out cleaner than a basic rinse. Different modes let you match the cleaning time to what you're washing. It's waterproof, rechargeable, and makes you feel better about what you're eating. Microwaving just got a lot cleaner and smarter. This clear splatter cover keeps your food moist while preventing messy spills inside the microwave. A built-in water reservoir adds steam to lock in flavor, and grooves collect extra condensation so your microwave stays spotless. The heat-resistant handle makes lifting hot dishes safe and easy. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. It's perfect for everyday meals, leftovers, or even keeping food warm. Your pantry just got a serious upgrade. These smart storage containers snap together with magnets, letting you stack and arrange them in any direction you want. They seal tight to keep food fresh and prevent leaks, so snacks and staples stay protected. The clear, shatterproof build handles daily use without worry. You can even add labels to keep everything easy to spot and perfectly organized. So if you want a perfectly tidy pantry, scan the QR on screen. Pasta night just went veggie without losing the fun. This heavy-duty spiral slicer turns everyday vegetables into noodles, ribbons, and curls in seconds. You lock it in place, twist, and watch firm veggies transform into perfect shapes with no slipping or wobbling. Multiple blade options let you switch up textures so meals never feel boring. It's an easy way for you to eat lighter while still loving what's on your plate. Corn night just got a whole lot easier. This handy corn cutter strips kernels cleanly off the cob with one smooth downward motion. You don't twist, saw, or make a mess. You just press and glide. The rounded blade keeps kernels intact, while the grippy handle helps you stay in control without tiring your hand. Perfect when you want fresh corn. Ready fast for soups, salads, or sides. So if you want effortless corn every time, scan the QR on screen. Peeling citrus doesn't have to be a messy finger workout. This simple orange peeler scores the skin cleanly, then lifts it away without digging into the fruit. You save your nails, keep juice off your hands, and get perfect slices faster. It works great on oranges, lemons, and other citrus you snack on daily. Small, lightweight, and easy to use. It's one of those tools you'll grab every time. Hot cookware deserves a smarter place to land. This petite wooden trivet snaps right onto your cookware, so it moves with you from stove to table without juggling. The built-in magnet keeps it securely in place while you serve. Made from durable natural wood, it protects surfaces while adding a warm, elegant touch. You get simple protection, clean presentation, and zero clutter on your countertop. So if you want mess-free serving, scan the QR on screen. Your countertop just learned how to bartend. This smart coaster guides your pour with glowing lights, showing you exactly when to start and stop for a perfectly balanced drink. You simply place your glass on top and follow along. No tools, no measuring, no guesswork. The companion app unlocks a massive library of cocktail and mocktail recipes, so you always know what to make next. It's compact, portable, and turns you into the most confident bartender in the room. So if you want flawless drinks every time, scan the QR on screen. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.